Hello, I'm Andrew Milbourn, the CEO of Kiss the Fish. My company helps companies like yours significantly grow their sales, and we only want to work with ambition. We want teams that want to grow by 20% or more annually, and that can grow with our help. I want to share with you some of the secrets that we will unlock to help your company achieve whatever you want that sales team to achieve. I want to share with you what we know works to accelerate significant sales growth. I'll be talking to you about how to re-motivate, re-energize your team around your company's story and the purpose behind why you do what you do. We'll also look at what we call customer curiosity. The teams that really succeed in this area succeed because they are so ingrained in their customers, in their way of thinking, in their language, that they become part of the customer experience journey. And that leads to how they sell the value of what you're making or what you're selling. I'll share with you some of the nuggets of gold that we've dug up around how much money you are making your customers. And maybe your sales team just can't articulate that or understand that. That can help to make them memorable. We want your company to be famous in the marketplace that you operate within. And I'll share with you some of the tactics and techniques that we've used and that we've developed in that space. And finally, I'll share with you some thoughts around technology, where it's going, where it's come. In the last 6 months, literally, there are new developments happening all the time for sales teams, and most people are standing back and ignoring the opportunity that's now. I'll share with you some of those things. So I really hope you'll join me on May the 13th. We'll have a good session together, and I guarantee that you'll get some nuggets that will prove really useful to your business growth. Thank you.